In this video, we will see what is an offer and what are the benefits of an offer in AuctionWorx. What is an offer? An offer is a way for buyers to submit offers with alternate price, quantity, and terms to the seller. Benefits of an offer. For buyer, it gives them a chance to negotiate with the seller. For seller, the number of sales will increase. Discounted price will remain confidential between seller and buyers. Now let us see, how does the offer process work? As a seller, I will enable the Accept Offer for the listing and see. Once enabled, the Make Offer button becomes visible to buyers, allowing them to place offers by clicking on it. The buyer specifies their offer price and includes a message to be sent to the seller. On click of review, the offer will go through review process. After that, you can click this Submit Offer button to complete the process. After submitting the offer, the buyer will receive a confirmation email, and seller will receive an offer received email. Additionally, the Manage Offers button will become visible to the buyer and the seller on the details page. The seller can view all offers placed by different buyers by clicking the Manage Offer button. Each offer includes proposed price and any accompanying messages. Seller has several options to respond. If the offer is not acceptable, the seller can decline it and provide a reason for it. An email notification is sent to the buyer with message, "Your offer has been declined." The seller can also counter the offer by proposing a different price to the buyer. An email notification is sent to the buyer with message, "Your offer has been countered." The buyer receives the counter offer, and the negotiation process continues until both parties reach an agreement. If the offer meets the expectations, the seller can accept it, and a success message will appear for the accepted offer. An email notification is sent to the buyer with message, "Your offer has been accepted." This is how buyers can make offers and sellers can manage them. Thank you for watching.